Hi everyone, I'm Sean. Sometimes while you're working, you might run out of the bobbins and don't have any pre-woven ones on hand. And no need to worry. Today I'm going to show you how to use the built-in bobbin winding feature in our EOC03 embroidery machine, so you can quickly refill the bobbin and keep your work going smoothly. Before we get started, we need to prepare a few things. An empty clear plastic bobbin case. Make sure it's size A. And a spool of the embroidery thread. One thing to keep in mind is that the bobbin thread should be a little thinner than the top thread. Place the embroidery thread and attach the thread cover. Guide the thread through the hook and the thread clip. Then lift the bobbin winder tension disc to secure the thread. Next, place the empty bobbin into the bobbin holder. Follow the thread path to wind the thread around to bobbin 5 to 6 rounds. And use the cutter at the bottom to trim any excess thread. Move the bobbin winder slightly to the right. At this point, the screen will prompt that the machine is ready. Then press the start button. Once the bobbin is fully wound, the machine will stop automatically. Simply cut the thread with scissors, and you will have a freshly wound bobbins ready to use. And that's the complete tutorial for the winding bobbins on our EOC03. With the feature, you don't have to worry about running out of the bobbin threads in the middle of your work. I hope these little tips help you make your embroidery work smoothly. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and follow us, and we will share more and more useful tips next time. Bye bye.